Welcome to the BBS MAP student goal setting tutorial. This tutorial will provide you with a brief introduction about MAP and will show you how to read the MAP student goal setting sheet. MAP is the measure of academic progress test administered at BBS for students from grade 3 to grade 10. We administer this test twice a year, once at the beginning of the school year in fall and once at the end of the school year in spring. The subjects tested are reading, language usage, and math. The purpose of this test is to monitor students' academic growth and guide teaching. Students are tested on a computer or an iPad in the 3 subjects. However, each subject is tested on a different date. So how does MAP work? MAP tests are adaptive, meaning the test will adjust based on how the student answers. This challenges every student. As the student responds correctly or incorrectly, the test items adjust in difficulty. If an answer is correct, the next question is harder. If an answer is incorrect, the next question is easier. In this way, the teachers learn exactly where each student currently performs. Moving on to reading the student goal setting sheet. The student goal setting sheet received with the report card shows you your child's MAP test history and growth projections in the 3 subjects tested. I will now walk you through different parts of this sheet. In the bar graph on the left, the blue bar shows you your child's fall MAP score in a unit called RIT points. RIT is the scale used to measure students' progress. It is an equal interval scale, much like feet and inches on a yardstick. This measurement allows us to chart students' academic growth from term to term and from year to year. The dotted line shows the projected RIT for the next testing event in spring. This also shows under the bar graph. The projected RIT is calculated using growth norms data. Growth norms provide estimates of growth across all grades. For more information on this, please check the NWEA website for the 2015 norms. Underneath the bar graph, My Goal is usually filled by the student before the test with guidance from the counselor and the teacher, and it represents the student's individual goal in this particular subject. The purpose of this exercise is to allow students to take ownership of set goals and to participate in setting an action plan to achieve these goals. The RIT growth shows the student's RIT point growth from fall to spring. This will only appear in the spring report. The table on the right shows a breakdown of the student's score in the areas of each subject. It also highlights areas of strengths and possible concern. Areas highlighted in green represent areas of strengths, whereas areas highlighted in yellow represent areas of possible concern. As parents, you might want to use this sheet as a reference to look at your child's growth from term to term. You may also use this sheet to support your child in the areas shown as possible concern and work on strategies or resources as advised by the teacher. More resources are found on the BBS website under Measures of Academic Progress and Parent Resources. Additionally, you may ask your child's teacher for grade-specific resources in English and math. An example of a MAP-aligned math resource is Map to Khan Academy. This resource correlates MAP RIT scores to specific math skills on Khan Academy. By clicking on a certain math skill under a RIT range, the student is directed to a matching practice exercise on Khan Academy. Another resource for reading is News ELA, which includes current topic articles and questions about the articles to promote reading comprehension skills. You may also ask your child's teacher for more resources. Thank you for your time. We hope you found this tutorial useful.